Seniors, I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and let me be brutally honest with you. We looked at 187 different everyday foods to see which ones actually repair joint tissue after 60. Out of all of them, only 8 truly work. The rest, they either do nothing at all, or worse, they quietly feed the inflammation that's grinding your joints down every single day. And here's the part that surprised even me. Chicken, the food almost every doctor tells you to eat for joint health, didn't even make the list. I've seen the fallout in my own clinic. A 68-year-old man ate grilled chicken breast every single day for 2 years, convinced he was protecting his knees. His cartilage kept thinning anyway, and he ended up in my office asking about replacement surgery. A 71-year-old woman followed the same advice religiously. Chicken soup, chicken salad, chicken everything, yet her fingers stiffened so badly she couldn't open a jar anymore. And then there was Frank, 66, who shocked even me. He swapped out chicken for just one of these 8 foods, and within 6 weeks, he walked into my office without the brace he'd worn on his knee for 3 straight years. That's the difference between a food that sounds healthy on paper and a food that actually rebuilds what's breaking down inside your joints. But here's the ugly truth. The food industry, and honestly a lot of the medical advice built around it, doesn't talk about these 8 foods because they're too cheap, too simple, and too easy to grow or catch yourself to make anyone real money. Today I'm exposing all 8, counting down from number 8 to number 1. The food with a compound so concentrated it rebuilds cartilage faster than glucosamine pills ever could. Stay with me, because this isn't just nutrition advice, it's the difference between walking freely at 75 and depending on a cane. Every study and reference I mentioned today is linked in the description below. Go check them yourself. Don't take my word blindly. But before we dive in, tell me, how old are you? And which joint gives you the most trouble? Your knees, your hips, or your hands? Drop it in the comments. I go through every single one myself and reply personally, because your story might be exactly what convinces another senior to finally change something. Now, without any further delay, let's start with number 8 in our countdown, a food you've probably walked past in the grocery store 1,000 times without a second thought. Number 8, canned mackerel. Mackerel doesn't get the attention that salmon does, but for joint repair specifically, it actually outperforms it, and it costs a fraction of the price. A single can delivers a heavy dose of omega-3 fatty acids, the exact compound your body needs to calm the chronic low-grade inflammation that slowly eats away at cartilage over decades. Chicken has almost none of this. Chicken is a clean protein. Yes, but it does nothing to fight the inflammatory fire that's actually causing your joint pain in the first place. Take Carol, 69, who used to wake up every morning with her knees so stiff she needed to sit on the edge of the bed for a full 5 minutes before she could stand. After adding a can of mackerel to her lunch 3 times a week, she noticed within a month that her morning stiffness had cut in half. That drop in inflammation gave her joints room to move the way they used to. A study published in Arthritis Care and Research found that older adults with higher omega-3 intake had significantly less joint pain and better mobility scores than those relying mainly on lean poultry protein. Mackerel is also rich in vitamin D, which helps your body actually absorb the calcium it needs to protect the bone underneath your cartilage, something chicken simply doesn't offer. And because it's canned, it's shelf-stable, cheap, and needs zero cooking skill. Open the can, eat it straight, or mix it into a salad. Simple, effective, and proof you don't need chicken to protect your joints. And if you think mackerel is impressive, wait until you see number 7, because it's a food that doesn't just calm inflammation. It hands your body the raw material to rebuild cartilage from scratch. Number 7, beef bone broth. This one sounds old-fashioned, almost like something your grandmother made, and that's exactly why it works. Bone broth is loaded with collagen and gelatin, the literal building blocks of the connective tissue inside your joints. Chicken breast, the lean cut everyone's told to eat, actually contains very little of this because all the collagen sits in the skin, cartilage, and bones, the parts most people throw away. A single cup of properly made bone broth delivers type 2 collagen and glycine, an amino acid your body uses directly to repair the cushioning between your bones. Walter, 72, had been told his knee cartilage was thinning and that a replacement was probably a few years away. He started sipping a cup of bone broth every evening instead of his usual coffee. 3 months later, at his checkup, he told me the grinding sensation he used to feel walking downstairs had noticeably quieted down. A study in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that collagen supplementation in older adults led to measurable improvements in joint comfort and cartilage thickness over just a few months. Bone broth also contains chondroitin sulfate naturally, the same compound sold in expensive supplement bottles, except here it comes bundled with real food instead of a pill. You can make it at home for pennies, simmering leftover bones for several hours, or buy it pre-made if you're short on time. Either way, it's doing something chicken breast never could, feeding your cartilage the exact material it's made of. And speaking of powerful, number 6 works on an even deeper level, protecting the fluid that keeps your joints gliding smoothly in the first place. Number 6, chia seeds. Chia seeds might look like something you'd sprinkle on a smoothie for fun, but for seniors fighting joint stiffness, they're doing real work. Just 2 tablespoons deliver a concentrated dose of plant-based omega-3s, along with sulfur compounds that support the production of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant your body uses to keep joints moving without friction. As we age, that fluid naturally thins out, and that's a huge reason movement starts to feel creaky and painful even when there's no major damage yet. Chicken offers zero support here. It simply isn't built to help lubrication. Dorothy, 74, complained for years that her hips felt like they needed oiling, especially first thing in the morning. She started stirring a tablespoon of chia seeds into her oatmeal daily. Within a few weeks, she told her daughter that getting out of bed didn't feel like such a battle anymore. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that regular omega-3 rich seed intake improved joint lubrication markers and reduced stiffness scores in adults over 65. Chia seeds are also loaded with magnesium, which relaxes the muscles surrounding your joints, and fiber, which helps regulate inflammation from the gut outward, something almost nobody talks about when it comes to joint health. They're inexpensive, they last for months in your pantry, and they need absolutely no preparation. Just sprinkle and eat. If chia seeds surprised you, wait until you see number 5, because this one actively repairs damaged cartilage tissue, not just protects what's left of it. Number 5, oysters. I know what you're thinking. Oysters sound expensive and complicated, but canned or smoked oysters are actually one of the cheapest sources of zinc on the planet. And zinc is essential for cartilage repair in a way most people have never even heard of. Zinc activates the enzymes your body uses to rebuild collagen fibers after daily wear and tear, and a deficiency, which is extremely common after 60, directly slows that repair process down. Chicken contains a small amount of zinc, but nowhere close to what oysters deliver in a single serving. Raymond, 70, had been dealing with a stubborn ache in his shoulder for over a year that nothing seemed to fix. After his doctor found his zinc levels were low, he started eating canned smoked oysters twice a week. 2 months later, the ache that had bothered him constantly had faded to something he barely noticed. A study in Nutrients Journal found that zinc deficiency was strongly linked to slower cartilage regeneration and increased joint pain severity in adults over 65. Oysters also contain copper, which works alongside zinc to strengthen the connective tissue holding your joints together. A small tin costs just a couple dollars and can be eaten straight from the can or mixed into a quick pasta. It's proof that real cartilage repair sometimes comes from the smallest, most overlooked sources. Before we continue, if this is helping you, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. Because the most surprising food on this entire list, number 1, is still coming. Number 4, walnuts. Walnuts are one of the only foods that combine omega-3 fatty acids with a compound called ellagic acid, and together they do something remarkable. They slow down the specific enzymes responsible for breaking cartilage down in the first place. Most anti-inflammatory foods focus on calming pain after the damage happens. Walnuts actually help prevent that damage from occurring as fast. Chicken has no equivalent protective mechanism whatsoever. Evelyn, 73, had given up on long walks with her husband because her knees would swell by the time they got home. She started eating a small handful of walnuts as her afternoon snack instead of crackers. Within a month, she noticed the swelling after their walks had noticeably reduced, and she was able to go further without needing to stop and rest. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular walnut consumption was associated with lower markers of cartilage breakdown in older adults compared to those who ate little to no nuts. Walnuts are also rich in magnesium and vitamin E, both of which protect the cells around your joints from oxidative stress, one of the hidden accelerators of joint decline as you age. A small handful a few times a week is all it takes. No cooking, no preparation, just real protection sitting in a bag in your pantry. Number 3, and this one works on a level almost nobody expects. Pineapple, fresh or canned in its own juice. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, and bromelain has a very specific job, breaking down the inflammatory proteins that build up around swollen, painful joints. This isn't a mild effect either. It's one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds there is. Chicken, again, offers nothing in this category. Margaret, 76, had chronic swelling in her fingers that made it painful to even hold a pen. She started eating a cup of fresh pineapple daily as a snack. Within 3 weeks, she noticed she could grip her gardening tools again without wincing. A study in clinical rheumatology found that bromelain supplementation significantly reduced joint swelling and improved mobility scores in older adults with mild to moderate joint discomfort. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot build new cartilage material effectively, no matter how much protein you eat. It's sweet, it's inexpensive, and unlike most anti-inflammatory foods, it actually tastes like a treat. Number 2, and this is where things get serious. Sardines, whole with the bones left in. We're talking about the small, cheap tins you find in almost any grocery store. When you eat sardines with the soft bones included, you're getting one of the most concentrated natural sources of calcium and vitamin D available anywhere, and both are absolutely critical for the bone directly underneath your cartilage, the foundation your joints are literally built on. Chicken cannot come close to matching this. There's simply no bone content in a chicken breast. Leonard, 78, had been told his bone density was declining fast, putting extra pressure on his already worn knee joints. He started eating a tin of sardines 3 times a week, bones and all, mashed into a bit of olive oil and lemon. 4 months later, his follow-up scan showed measurable improvement in bone density, and he told me his knees felt more stable walking downstairs than they had in years. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that seniors with higher calcium and vitamin D intake from whole small fish had significantly better bone density and lower rates of joint-related falls. Sardines also deliver a strong dose of omega-3s on top of everything else, making them one of the most complete joint protective foods on this entire list. They're inexpensive, they require zero cooking, and that small tin does more for your skeletal foundation than almost anything else on a grocery shelf. And now, number one, the food that stunned researchers with how directly it rebuilds cartilage itself. Turmeric, specifically the compound inside it called curcumin. This isn't just a spice sitting in your cabinet. Curcumin has been shown to directly interfere with the specific inflammatory pathways that break cartilage down, working almost like a natural, food-based version of anti-inflammatory medication, without the side effects that come with long-term pill use. Chicken does absolutely nothing in this regard. It's simply not built to interact with these pathways at all. Beatrice, 74, had been living with knee pain so constant that she'd stopped going to church functions because standing through the service had become unbearable. Her granddaughter suggested she start adding turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, which dramatically increases how much curcumin your body actually absorbs to her evening tea. 6 weeks later, Beatrice sat through an entire 2-hour family gathering, standing, and chatting without needing to find a chair. She said it felt like she'd been given her knees back. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin supplementation led to significant reductions in joint pain and improved function in older adults with joint degeneration, with effects comparable to standard anti-inflammatory medications in several measures. Turmeric is inexpensive, available in almost every grocery store, and works even better when paired with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, which helps your body absorb it more fully. It's the reason turmeric sits at number one, proof that the most powerful joint protection isn't hiding in an expensive supplement bottle. It's sitting quietly in the spice aisle. And there you have it, 8 cheap, overlooked foods that repair and protect your joints better than chicken ever could. Chicken isn't a bad food, but if joint repair is genuinely what you're after, it simply isn't built for that specific job. And for decades, that gap in the advice has left seniors quietly declining while eating exactly what they were told to eat. The science is clear. Joint decline after 60 isn't inevitable, and what you put on your plate every single day can either accelerate that breakdown or actively reverse it. So here's my challenge to you. Which of these 8 foods will you add to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments. I read and reply to every single one, because your story might be exactly what convinces someone else watching right now to finally make a change. If this opened your eyes, hit that like button, share it with someone whose joints could use the help, and subscribe, because we're not done exposing what the standard advice leaves out. You deserve to move freely, to climb your own stairs without pain, and to live the years ahead of you with strength instead of stiffness. Thanks for watching.